Welcome to my channel, Muhammad Akram.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video or now I want to tell you about the third my project of CCNP. So for the third my project or in this lab I will tell you about or I will explain you about my project, my third project. Okay, so in the third my project or in this my project in this lab, I it's about OSPF. So in this project, I'm ordered to do three material of OSPF or more than three to make some topology, and then here I make one topology of this is about OSPF, and then for this my topology I have one router area backbone or router 0 or area 0, and then this router we can say to router OSPF2 because in this lab I'm set up the VRV configuration for the right side, or I can give name VRV Mandiri, and then the left side the right side it's Telkom, VRV Telkom. So the first I will explain you about the VRV first. So I'm here has already set up the VRV configuration. So the VRV Mandiri it's have IP table routing by himself, and then the VRV Telkom have IP table routing for VRV Telkom, just for VRV Telkom. So from VRV Mandiri cannot connect to VRV Telkom if command not use VRV blah 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 like that. So in this lab I'm not only use the VRV configuration, but I'm use the RIP configuration too, and then HRP configuration too. So I will show you about the VRV Mandiri first. I will show you the configuration. So I can type do show IP do show VRV. I'm sorry. If we want to see the VRV configuration, we need to check in the middle of VRV Mandiri and VRV Telkom, or we can check in the center of router that he make the VRV for the left side topology and then the right side topology, or for Mandiri and for Telkom. So we can say this router it's router center. I make the VRV this two VRV in this router. So I will check for the command I will enter to configuration global first and then do show VRV, and this I make two VRV for the left side and then the right side, and then I enter to the interface. So for Mandiri VRV, it use interface A0/1 like this, like you can see in here, and then for interface A0/2, it's for the right topology or for the right side configuration. So I think that's all for the VRV Mandiri. And then if you want to check that IP routing for VRV Mandiri, we need to enter the command VRV Mandiri first, like this: IP root do IP root VRV Mandiri. So this word, it must be same with like we make before in this, and then I will check. So in this router, what IP routing IP table for the VRV Mandiri, it's many because I have configuration the RIP, and then the what I have connect this all of this device. So if I check from PC ping to router 2, it can be connect. So I will show you first. So if we enter this command like do show IP root for VRV Mandiri, so automatically this router will show all of this VRV, all of this IP routing table VRV for only for Mandiri. So if we enter this command VRV Mandiri, so for VRV Telkom, it will not enter to this IP table routing. So we enter this command, it's only show the VRV for VRV of Mandiri. This like this for VRV of Mandiri, I have setting configuration the RIP, and this for the all of the IP that I have configured before, and then now I want to check for the VRV Telkom. So I need to enter the name of VRV Telkom. So do show IP role VRV Telkom. So I will show that VRV Telkom from the center router or the router backbone. So this there is the uh, what what like default route. So I have setting the default route to in router 9, and then when we check in router center, that will show all of this routing table of VRV Telkom. So we can check this for VRV Telkom. I have already setting the A2, or I forgot for the long name, and then I have setting configuration for HRP2. This the IP 200, 200.2, and 200.1 until 200.10, until 210. So all of this IP from AGRP will show to me when I check in center router and the router center. That's all of this routing table will show to me. But this VRV Mandiri and VRV Telkom is different. It's not the same. Like usually, if we want to check in routing table, we check in routing table global. So when we check in routing table IP in the South IP route global, so that's it will not it will it's we cannot to see that's uh that's the IP from VRP Mandiri or VRP Telkom. So the conclusion, we use this VRP Mandiri and VRP Telkom. That's I have the I have the reason why I'm use this VRP Mandiri and VRP Telkom. My reason is for this left side. I will management all of this what topology. So if we use VRV2, we can configuration the same IP from one router. So in internet A0/1 and interface A0/2 is the IP it's same. So I'm used in A0/1 and A0/2. I'm use the IP it's 192.168.2.1. So the IP same. So if we configuration or add the configuration of VRV, we can same the IP, use the IP same. If we not use the VRV, we cannot use the same IP for one router. And then I will show you this RIP, right? I will show you in router 2, not in router center again. I will do show IP route. So like I said before, I have setting the RIP in router 5. So I can see in router 2 this IP of RIP. And then if we check in another router, except in router center or router that make VRV, we just enter the command do show IP route. We don't need to enter the VRV, the name of VRV. So just like this, do show IP route. Yes, do show IP route, not do show IP route VRV Mandiri. That is for another router except router center or router backbone. That's I give the name. And then I'm what I'm do this topology or this configuration. it's only one day. It's not until one day, around three 3 hours or 2 hours. Yes, only that's hours. So I think maybe that's all from me, and I'm sorry if I have any mistake, and I hope you understand for this my topology or the third my topology. And then and the last I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.